Get excited about the 2017 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 35,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.